Hi, my name is Tamisha Grant, and this is my audiovisual presentation on the topic current scientific and/or technological development and its social significance. I will be speaking on the Tesla Model S motor car. Here goes. The Tesla Model S is one of many smart, high-technology cars currently on offer, and as we move towards the future, that has been portrayed in numerous novels and motion pictures, that is, autopiloted motor vehicles which run on clean, non-polluting energy. We see numerous entrants into the clean, environmentally friendly car market. However, the Tesla Model S offers a completely different experience, combining an all-electric power system with high-grade performance, all-wheel drive terrain which goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, and Pulse creature comforts, leather seats, panoramic moonroof, high-fidelity multi-source sound system, 17-inch touchscreen display, etc. The Model S also offers the ultimate in autopilot system as well as cabin safety. The Tesla Model S is crammed full of cutting-edge technology, making it one of, if not the most advanced vehicles on the road. Power is generated by a purely electrical energy system, providing torque to two-wheel motors. One high-efficiency motor powers the front axle, while the rear axle is powered by a second high-performance motor. This gives the Model S the highest rate of traction, control, and torque of any model in its class and many other classes of vehicle. The placing of the powerhouse in its self-contained compartment beneath the passenger cabin lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, which helps to vastly increase the vehicle's traction, control, and vaunted acceleration. The engine block is replaced by a set of impact-absorbing Baron steel rails to protect passenger during front impact collision. Side impact collision is protected by aluminum pillars reinforced with steel rails to reduce intrusion, protecting occupants and the battery pack while improving roof stiffness. In the event of an accident, 8 airbags protect front and rear occupants, and the high voltage power source is automatically disconnected. The Model S is equipped with a medical grade HEPA air filtration system, which filters out at least 99.97% of air pollutants and allergens, and the air entering the vehicle the vehicle via intake vents. Dubbed the bioweapon defenses mode, this system protects the vehicle's occupants from not only urban smog and air pollution, but is expected to make the Model S a safe haven in the event of a release of an airborne weaponized biological agent. The Model S improves night driving, especially on winding roads and in low visibility areas with its adaptive lighting system. Powered by a set of 14 3-position LED dynamic turning lamps, the Model S light adjusts height and display angle to keep the road in front of the driver well lit at all times. For those of us who would prefer not to drive home from work along those busy city streets, or who are on their way to an important meeting and would like some extra time to prepare, they can simply activate the Tesla Model S autopilot system. With 8 cameras, radar, sonar, and GPS tracking, the Tesla Model X receives a constant 360-degree view of the world around the vehicle, up to 160 meters ahead, 80 meters to either side, and 50 meters behind the vehicle, something no human driver can ever truly achieve. The real-time onboard processing of all this sensor input is handled by an internal computer running Tesla's neutral net sensor software, which simultaneously captures and processes data from the vehicle's visual, radar, and sonar input system, creating a complete digital map of the vehicle's surrounding. This allows the vehicle's autopilot system to safely and effectively navigate urban areas as well as highways, while never missing on and off ramps as well as switching lanes to pass slower moving traffic. Voice controls tied into the vehicle's operating system allow the driver to simply enter the vehicle, tell it his destination, and relax while the vehicle safely takes him there. Upon arrival, the driver is able to exit the vehicle and leave the vehicle to park itself using its park seek mode to find a parking spot. When ready to depart, a touch on the driver's phone screen summons the vehicle to the driver, who simply gets in and tells it to take it home. The technology of the Telsa Model S has the potential to impact society in a number of ways, both positively and negatively. These impacts are environmental, health and safety, and employment. The environmental impact: the fully electric engine on the Model S emits no air pollution from the combustion of fossil fuels. This makes the Model S one of the cleanest, most environmentally friendly modes of transportation. An expansion in the usage of the Model S and other similar vehicles will have a lasting positive effect on the global environment, as well as help reverse the effects of global warming. On the other hand, the number of bandwidth sensors used by the Model S could become a threat to the Apis genus honeybees, whose internal navigation systems are disturbed by high-frequency waves. As it regards to health and safety, the autopilot system of the Model S has the potential to generate a marked reduction in driver error-related traffic collisions, many of which are fatal. The other safety features included in the Model S provide greater possibility of passengers surviving traffic collisions with minimal injuries, thus reducing traffic fatalities and the strain on healthcare facilities after traffic collisions. The air filtration system also helps reduce the amount of smog which is inhaled by commuters stuck in peak hour urban traffic jams, thereby reducing the prevalence of certain respiratory ailments. As it relates to employment, an expansion in the application of the autopilot technology used in the Model S could potentially result in the loss of employment for large sections of the population, particularly those employed in the transportation sector. While some could argue that the technological advancement could create new jobs to be filled by those being displaced by the autopiloted vehicles, there are those who argue that continuing expansion of the mechanization of industries will only destroy society as we know it and usher the age of artificial intelligence competing with man for dominance of the planet. And you can see the Terminator series of movies as well as the Matrix trilogy. Thank you.